ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Welcome to Samveda E-Classes 5th Standard English Second Language. How are you all? I hope you are doing good and safe in your homes. In today's class, I am engaging a session with a very interesting and a special topic, the elephant. After this session, you will able to know about the meanings of the different words in this poem, and you will able to understand the theme of the poem, and you are able to identify the rhyming words in the poem, and you will be able to construct new sentences, and you will be able to identify the describing words. So, before entering to the session, I will ask some questions. Be ready with your pencil, notebook and your textbook. Okay students, shall we start? Yes. Okay, look at this picture and identify which animal is this. Which animal is this? Students, can you identify? Yes, this is a cow. Cow is also called as cattle. And next one. Okay, can you identify which animal is this? Yes, this is dog. Dog is a animal which is human friendly and obedient and a honest animal. And moving towards the next question, students, are you ready? Yes. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a tiger. Tiger. Yes, tiger is a wild animal and also it's our national animal. Yes, which animal is this? Yes, this is a cat. Very good students. Are you participating well in this questions? And next, which animal is this? Yes, this is giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck here and it can be seen in grasslands and also in woodlands. And next, which animal is this? Can you identify? Yes, this is a lion. Lion, it is also called as a wild animal. It can be seen in forests. Yes. Now, I will ask a riddle for you and you have to solve that. Okay, shall we start? Yes. I am big in size, grey in color. I have broad back, long trunk, wide ears. Children like to ride on me. Guess me, who am I? Guess? Any guesses? Yes, yes, I am an elephant. Yes, students, today's topic is the elephant. Yes, in the beginning, I will recite the poem completely and you have to repeat after me. Shall we start? Yes. The elephant's big, the elephant's grey, the elephant walks for miles each day. The elephant's big, the elephant's grey, the elephant walks for miles each day. His trunk is long and oh what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. His trunk is long and oh what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. The elephant's big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant's big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant's big, he is kind too, he carries the children round the zoo. The elephant's big, he is kind too, he carries the children round the zoo. I think you all enjoyed the poem. Now let's move with the poem now. Yes, in the first stanza we see that the elephant's big. Yes, you have to look this picture. That means the elephant is so big in size. And next, the elephant's grey. That means it is in grey in color. Students, concentrate on this picture. You will see elephant and its color and its size. And next, the elephant walks for miles each day. That means it walks for a miles, 50 miles each day. And next, his trunk is long and oh what fun. Students, looking at this picture, you see elephant's trunk is so long here. You see this because when it comes out for a cake or bun, it looks so fun that when it comes to take cake, bun or banana, it will look so funny and at the same time the trunk is used to suck the water and eat the food. The elephant's big, his ears are wide. Looking at this picture, you will see the ears of elephant. Means our ears are so small, but the elephant's ears are so big here. That means the wideness of the ears are pictured here. And next, his back is broad for all to ride. That means his back is so wide. You can see in this picture, the back is so broad that everyone wants to ride on it, and it helps to take all the people to ride on it. Yes, you can see that wide ears, broad back. Yes, the elephant's big, he is kind too. That means elephant is a very kind animal and it is also big in size. And he carries the children round the zoo. You can see the picture here. Here elephant is taking the children around the zoo, so that it is called as a kind animal too. Yes, we got new words in the poem, so that now we shall discuss the new words and the meanings of the new words, and at the same time we will able to construct the new sentences here. Here are the new words, and with the help of this picture we come to know about the new words here. Yes, first one is wide. Wide meaning is broad. For example, there are two pictures are given here. One picture is the television screen and the next one is the road. That means you have to concentrate the picture that are given here for wideness. Wide screen and then wide road. Wide means broad, broad screen or a broad road. In the sentences we have to know that we have wide screen in our home. That means we have a wide screen in our home. And the next one, we have wide roads in our country. That means you can see the picture here, the roads are very wide or very broad, and that means we have a wide roads in our country. And the next, move with the next word, ride. here 4 pictures are given with a different view. You have to notice that. Ride means to travel on. For example, here people are riding on elephants, isn't it? And then here a person is riding on a horse, and then next that 4 people are riding on a bicycle, and next one the camel is the 2 people are riding on a camel here. Ride means to travel on. And the next we move to the sentences. We have to see children like to ride on elephant. Yes, you got the sentences in the poem, right? Yes. I love to ride on bike. Yes, I want to ride on a bike because I love it. And you people want to ride on a elephant? Yes. And the next one, kind. Kind means here 2 pictures are given here. Kind, helpful. Kind meaning is helpful. For example, here a man is helping a lady, and then next here a girl is helping a boy. In a sentences, helpful and caring, he is a kind person. Kind means very helpful and caring. Elephant is a kind animal because it took a travel for the children around the zoo. Already you know the sentences, and elephant is a kind animal. Next, move with the sentence. Yes. Now, there are some words in the poem which describes the qualities, nature of the elephant, which what it eats, where it goes, where we can see the elephant, etc. So, move with the next picture. We are talking about the elephant. Yes, elephant. The elephant has small eyes, isn't it? And the next, elephant has 2 ears. 2 ears means 2 ears, and that are quality of a wideness. That the elephant have a broad ears, and the next it have a broad back. You can see this. It have a small eyes, wide ears, and also broad back, and it has a long trunk. Have you seen elephant anywhere? Yes. Then it has a 4 legs. Yes. Children, where do you see the elephant? Have you seen elephant anywhere? Yes. We have seen elephant in the temple, isn't it? Yes. Next, where we can see the elephant? In a temple and in also zoo. Yes. Yes. Next, where we can see the elephant? Yes, in a forest too. We can see the elephant in temple, zoo, forest, and also in circus. Circus is so funny, and also with so much of activities, it gives a lot of entertainment to you. Yes. Next. Okay. Now we shall recall what are the qualities and what are the important features of the elephant here. The elephant is very big. Yes, we all know that the ant is very small and the elephant is very big and grey in color. Yes, we already seen in the picture that elephant is in grey color. And next, it walks for miles every day. Yes. Next, his trunk is very long. It has a special features of having a long trunk so that it sucks the water and it able to eat food from that. Next one, it looks very funny and the elephant ears are wide and big. Already we have seen in the picture that elephant has a very wide ears and it is a very big animal. And next, his back is broad. Already we seen that our back is so small, but his back is so broad. Next, so many of us can sit on it and go for a ride here. Though he is he is a kind animal, and he carries the little children carefully around the zoo. Elephant is loving animal for all kids. Yes, students, already we know that it is big in size, grey in color, and it has a wide ears, broad back. But it is also important to know about what the elephant eats. Okay, in this picture we come to know that elephant is eating banana, fruits, apples and vegetables. Here it is eating sugar cane, and the next it is eating bushes, and in this picture it is eating the saplings, and the next it is eating tree barks, and in the last picture it is eating the bamboo. The food that elephant eats. Yes, it eats grass, leaves, bamboo, small plants, bushes, fruits, twigs, tree bark and roots. The bark is a favorite food source of elephants. The elephant is so fond of eating tree bark here. Yes, elephants eat between 149 to 169 kg each day. We eat only roti, only rice, only curry, etc. But the elephant eats all these items, and it includes 149 to 169 kg here. Let's recall your comprehension so that I will ask some questions. You have to answer all those. Yes, first one is, what is the color of the elephant? Students, can you answer this? Can anyone? Yes, the color of elephant is grey. Very good. And the next question, how is elephant's trunk? Yes, can anyone answer this question please? Yes, the elephant's trunk is long. Where does the elephant take the children? The elephant takes the children to the zoo. Yes. In the poem, while reciting the poem, I stressed on some words. Those words are called as rhyming words. What is a rhyming word? Yes, rhyming words are the words which are having the similar ending sounds. For example, zoo, two, day, gay, wide, ride, fun, bun. Student, please give an attention here, because these rhyming words are so important that you can have a similar ending sounds and you have to differentiate that. For example, zoo, two, day, gay, wide, ride, fun, bun. Okay, now let's have an activity. Match the rhyming words here. Yes, here there are some pictures. You have to match with the rhyming word. Fan, run, frog, sun, star, snake, cake, pan. Yes, dog, jar. Yes, let's match with the rhyming words here. For example, run, sun, star, jar, frog, dog. Student, you have to concentrate because it is the ending sound is frog, dog. Then here is an activity for you. Complete the dotted picture of the elephant given below. Write the name of a different parts of the elephant and discuss with your partner and frame the sentence by using flashcards. So, all the sentences begin with the elephant has and one is done for you. So, be sure that you have to complete the dotted picture here. I think you are enjoying in completing the picture here. And the next, the elephant has small eyes. For example, the elephant has small eyes. Yes. Next one, next sentences we have to construct here. The elephant has, yes, long trunk, and then the elephant has wide ears. Already I said that you have to use these flashcards and make the sentences here. Sentences are similar because the elephant has is common in all the sentences. For example, the elephant has wide ears, the elephant has long trunk, the elephant has 4 legs and the elephant has broad back. Very good, students. And then sentences are there. The elephant has 4 legs, the elephant has broad back and the elephant has long trunk and then the elephant has wide ears. So, I think you all understood this these sentences, and the next move to the next slide. Yes, concentrate on these sentences. The elephant is big, his trunk is long, his back is broad, his ears are wide, the elephant is grey. So, students, you have to concentrate on these sentences because this line is in one color and this word is in different colors. Why it is? Yes, in the poem there are some words which describes the quality of an elephant or the structure of an elephant here. So that these are the describing words. For example, the elephant is big. The bigness is describing the elephant here, and his trunk is long. The quality of long is describing the trunk of an elephant. His back is broad and his ears are wide. Wideness is describing the ears of an elephant here, and the elephant is grey. What is the color of an elephant, students? Yes, it is grey in color. Next, this is an activity for you. Circle the describing words here. For example, the gem is shiny. How the gem is? Yes, the gem is shiny. And the sky is blue. The sun is bright. The t-shirt is red. For example, next, the gem is, how the gem is? The gem is shiny. So, this is describing the word gem. Have you understood? Yes, shiny describes the quality of a gem here. Next, the sky is blue. Yes, very good. Yes, blue is the quality of a sky here. So, it is describing how the sky is. Sky is in blue color. Very good. The sun is bright. Yes, how the sun is? The sun is bright. It is showing or describing the sun here. Next, the t-shirt is red. What is the color of a t-shirt here? Yes, the color of a t-shirt is red. Very good, students. Okay, let's move with an activity. The grass is green. That means it is green in color. And the roses are red. The roses are red in color. And the next, the pond is blue. Students, are you looking at the picture here? The pond is blue in color. And next, the crow is back. The crow is black in color. And next, the house is brown. It is brown in color. The ducks are yellow. Look at the picture here. What type of color the ducks are? The color of the duck is yellow. Yes, underline the describing words here. The apples are red. Yes, the apples are red in color. And the next, the butterfly is beautiful. The elephant is big. The hat is brown. The giraffe is tall. Oh, describe the words with, the apples are red here. The redness is describing the apple. And the next, the butterfly is beautiful. The quality of a beautiful describing the butterfly here. And the hat is brown in color. And the elephant is big. The giraffe is tall. Yes. After that, I will give you a homework you should do in your home. I will give some questions. You have to answer all those questions in your home. How long does the elephant walk each day? This is a question for you. And the next one, what does trunk come out for? Many people can ride on the elephant. Why? Yes. This is also homework for you. Read it carefully and you have to underline the same rhyming word here which is given in the left side. For example, fat. The rhyming word for the fat is bin, mat, jog, which is the word which sounds similar for the fat here. Okay? Pot, big, box and bin. So, please read these words and you have to underline the same rhyming word here. And the next, beg, pan, leg, log, run, bun, ten, then, tap, nap, pip, pop, bed, nip, red, hog, ten, den, bit, tin. Okay. Now, it is an activity for you. Circle the describing words here. Here some sentences are given. So, you have to circle the describing words here. She is wearing a red skirt. Ravi pulled on the long rope. The drink was fizzy. The sky was blue. Ram saw a small yellow bird. The bus is yellow. The horse was big, brown and beautiful. The fast car sped down the road. He broke his only sharp pencil. The snow was cold and wet. I think students, you all understood the poem very well and you also do. Thank you. I think you all enjoyed the poem, and this is a period of pandemic and you have to be safe in your home, use sanitizers and use masks and maintain social distance, stay safe and stay healthy. This presentation is given by Sandhya Kulkarni and Suma H, GHPS, Yergoda. Thank you.